Hi YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with We Is the Future, where we are spending more time with our family. We're doing kids product reviews as well as doing healthy recipes. And today we're going to be reviewing the PLAYSKOOL Learnimals. This is the ABC Adventure Elefun. And this one actually has 100 plus words that it works on for first words. It does ABCs, numbers, shapes, colors, and opposites. So one thing that I really like about this one here is that it's really durable. When my son first started walking, he actually loved to stand on things, you know, try to get higher, stand on things. And with this thing here, he was actually able to stand on it, jump on it, all kinds of stuff, and it still works.
And this is where I like to stand on it.
Really durable. We love that. Now there's a couple ways to control the controls here. First of all, you can pull the little snout here, and it'll actually move this thing here, and it'll tell you, you know, what's there. Also, you can move the ear, and it will give you the letters of whatever it just pulled up, which is pretty awesome. You can also pull down the little flap that tells you colors, and then you can move this little dial, and it will make sounds and noises for whatever you see in the picture window. You can also move the dial here. Now when you move the dial, it will move this up or down one, whichever arrow that you choose. And then when you use the trunk of the elephant, you know, sometimes it will do one and sometimes it will do multiple. Now the great thing is, this actually has from 1 to 10 where you move the butterfly, and from 1 to 10 you'll actually get different options whenever you do this. So here, when you did the snout, it describes the drums. And then when you did the 9, it's telling you about the animal. So it'll tell you about the animal, it'll tell you about the object, it'll tell you about the color. So it's pretty awesome. So in every single one, you will have a different thing that you can do. So it'll tell you the letter, the color, the animal, the object, and there's so many ways to control it. So the great thing about this is it gives your kids endless fun. Like I said, super durable, heavy construction, and so it makes it really easy for your kids to have this for a long time without breaking it. A lot of the other toys that we had actually broke and got damaged because he liked to throw them or stand on them or whatever like that. And this one here has continued to keep going. The weak point on this is the snout, but as you see, it's still going strong, still works really well, and he is loving playing with this. He plays with this every single day, and it's one of his favorite toys.
Yay! Hippo! Hi there, hungry hippo.
Thanks for joining us today with our review of the PLAYSKOOL Learnimals ABC Adventure. If you have one of these at home and you like it or you dislike it, please let us know in the comments below of your experience with it. If you like it, if you hate it, why you like it, what you love, some great stories about it. Definitely share that with us in the comments below. If you get a chance, please give us a big thumbs up. Please subscribe because we're going to be doing a lot more of the product reviews as well as healthy recipes and spending time with the family doing family videos and stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this informative review, if you decide that you want one of these, we'll actually have a link below in the description box where you can actually pick one of these up. And, you know, definitely thank you so much for watching. If you get a chance, please give us a big thumbs up. Please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin. Throw it on Google Plus and Facebook. And as always, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Jam. Lion. Monkey. Newt. Piano.
Hello.
Piano begins with the letter Sh. She's sleeping. Q. Queen begins with the letter Q. Penguin. That's funny. Quilt. Plus sign. Q. Queen begins with the letter Q. Radio. Spiral. R. Rooster begins with the letter